Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn articles. You all must have read about articles before, but in today's video, we will learn something new. If someone asks you, what is the article? Mostly you guys would say a and the, which is the correct answer. But do you all know that article is used only in front of the noun? Yes or no? So let's all of you get ready. First, we all will do self-assessment. Keep all your notebooks and pencils ready. I will show you some words. You just have to use a and an before those words. Now look at the words. Orange, furniture, R, young, university, U, book, beautiful, house, European. Now pause this video and write the correct answer in your notebook within 2 minutes. So let's check the correct answers. First, an orange. No article before furniture. An R. Again no article before young. A university. A U. A book. Once more, no article before beautiful. A house. A European. Check and see how many of your answers are correct. Now you must be thinking that I didn't put anything in front of furniture, young and beautiful. The reason behind it is the word furniture. It is an uncountable noun. And for all uncountable nouns, we cannot use a or an before that, because a and an means one in number, and the rule says that we cannot use a and an before uncountable nouns like water, butter, chocolate, etc. We cannot say a water, a butter, a chocolate, so we won't use a or an before the noun furniture. Next two words are young and beautiful. These two words are not nouns, these are adjectives. With adjectives, we cannot use a or an. It would be incorrect if you will say a beautiful or a young unless it is followed by a noun. For example, a beautiful girl. Here girl is a noun. Or a young boy. Here boy is a noun. So what did we learn? Before adjective, we cannot use a and an, but if it is followed by some noun, then we can use articles a or an. Now, let's learn more about articles a and the. They modify nouns and pronouns. Modify means add to the sense of nouns or pronouns or give us information about it. Let's see some examples. I saw a jackal in the field. Here is an umbrella. Here the words a, the and an are articles. There are two kinds of articles. First article is indefinite article and second is definite article. Let's first learn about indefinite articles, which are a and an. Why they are called indefinite? They are called so because they do not speak of any particular person, place, animal or thing. See this example. Rohan wrote with a pencil as his pen ran out of ink. Here we are talking about any pencil, not any specific or particular one. Now see the second example. He had an egg for breakfast. An egg means any egg, not any specific or particular egg. In short, it implies that the thing referred to is non-specific. Let's learn about definite article, which is the. Why the is called the definite article? It is called because it is used to refer to a particular person, place, animal or thing. It is used before a noun to define it as something specific. In simple words, it means something that we have previously mentioned in our sentence, or we are mentioning something unique, or something is being identified by the reader or speaker. See these examples. First, the girl talked loudly in the class. Here I am mentioning a particular girl in the class, not any girl. Next example, did you return the book to the library? Here again I am mentioning about a particular book which that person has taken from the library, not any book. A specific book from the specific library, not any library. So again, let's do one small recap. The definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. Indefinite article a and an are used before nouns that are general or when its identity is not known. Now let us understand about indefinite article a. A is used before a singular countable noun beginning with the consonant sound. Consonants are all the non-vowel sounds. For example, a pen, a bus. But English is not very easy. It has many exceptions where it breaks the rule. See this exception? We use a even before certain words that begin with a vowel. Some of these words are university, unicorn, European, useful, and one. This is because the words university, unicorn, European, useful begin with the consonant sound of U, and the word one begins with the consonant sound of V. So the article a is used before them like a university, a unicorn, a useful thing, etc. So exception says to check the sound of words. If the word sounds like consonant U, then use a, and if it sounds like vowel a, then use an with the nouns. Next is the usage of indefinite article an. An is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an apple, etc. We use an even before certain words that begin with a consonant. Some of these words are honest, air, etc. This is because these words begin with a vowel sound, as the initial consonant H is silent and is not pronounced. So the article an is used before these words like an hour, an honest man, an air. Now, at the end, let's check the usage of definite article the. We use the before a singular or plural countable nouns, before an uncountable nouns, before superlative degree of comparisons, before names of newspapers or classical books, before names of bays, canals, rivers, seas, gulfs, oceans, ships, glaciers, and mountain ranges, before the names of directions and important events. Let's try to understand with some examples. We use the before a singular or plural countable nouns. The lion is the king of the jungle. When a singular noun represents the whole category, here lion represents the whole category of lions. So there we use definite article the. Next example. The parrots in the cages were set free. If the plural countable is specified or defined, it stops having a general meaning and so takes the definite article. We use the before an uncountable nouns. For example, the courage that he displayed was appreciated by all. If an uncountable noun is specified or defined, it stops having a general meaning and so takes the definite article. We also use the before superlative degree of comparison like you have the best taste in clothing. Here we have used superlative degree, good, better, best. Next example, we use the before names of newspapers or classical books. For example, The Times of India is famous for its comic strip. The Iliad was written by Homer. We also use the before names of bays, canals, rivers, seas, gulfs, oceans, ships, glaciers, and mountain ranges. For example, the Bay of Bengal forms India's eastern coast. Oil was discovered in the Persian Gulf in 1908. Last but not the least, we use the before the names of directions and some important events. For example, this year we found more birds migrating to the north. Next example, the third battle of Panipat was fought between the Afghans and the Marathas. So children, that's all in today's video. Thank you and practice what you have learned today. Take care.